It's time for an upgrade. It's the season of giving, and I was able to give the gift of griddle to my nephew Alex, his wife Tiffany, and their 3 boys. The griddle for our family has been about cooking together to make amazing meals and about making awesome memories. I love cooking with my nephew and his family and look forward to all the memories that we're going to make with this new Blackstone griddle.
5 years of use.
My brother Joel purchased the griddle off of Facebook Marketplace 5 years ago for $100 and gave it to my nephew Alex. They use their griddle several times a week, and I have done several cooks on it while visiting them.
Here, you want to try that? You like that? Mm-hmm. You like it?
No.
No? S'mores dip. Cheers.
But it's time for an upgrade.
This? No, you have to get off one.
That smoke. That's what you want to see, is that smoke.
Like that. Even like the little crack,
Yeah?
you have to put it on there. Like all
Yes, I definitely
I can tell.
Look at those perfectly caramelized onions and that awesome seasoned griddle.
Jesus.
Griddle turkey bacon ranch sandwiches for the win.
Caramelized onions. Oh, girl. Look at that thing. Yeah.
She's never gonna melt until you get this on there. Can I put this on there?
Sure.
What are you doing?
Picture perfect.
Ella likes it underneath there. Mm-mm. Yum, yum.
Don't even touch that. You also forgot the ranch.
Happy griddling to my nephew Alex, his wife Tiffany, and their 3 boys. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, check out all of my griddle recipes. Don't forget to go to my website FromMichiganToTheTable.com and sign up for my newsletter. Bye!